Welcome back to Say Natural DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this homemade glass cleaner with natural ingredients that works 100%. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So this homemade glass cleaner facilitates cleaning since it can remove grease and other kinds of stains, doors and windows, mirrors, and even tampered glasses. This can help you clean it perfectly well. So for today's ingredient, I'm going to be using 2 cups of water, distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can boil water and use it. Allow the water to cool down, then you use the water. And the next is my white vinegar. I'm using 1/4 cup of white vinegar for this. White vinegar will help remove the stains on the glass. It eliminates dirt, especially fingerprints and spots. Then the next is my rubbing alcohol. I'm using 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. It also helps clean the scratches from the glasses and sanitize the surface as well. So after adding that, the next I'm going to be adding to this homemade glass cleaner is my cornstarch. You will wonder what would cornstarch do to this cleaner, this homemade glass cleaner. Cornstarch will clean the surface, gives it the shine it needs without any scratch on it. It's very important in this particular recipe. There are other recipes out there, but this particular one, you need the cornstarch for this. So the next I'm using is, after adding to make it smell nice, I'm adding essential oils. I use lemon essential oil in this particular one. You can use any fragrance you want, any fragrance oil for this tutorial. So the next is to bring my bottle and through my funnel, I pour in my mixture and immediately I start using. This is very important and it cleans very well. So this is what my homemade glass cleaner looks like. So to use it, whenever you want to use this, you have to shake the bottle, and with a tissue paper, you spray on the surface, then you clean with a tissue paper. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.